To purchase a home in Canada, you need a minimum of 5% down payment. That's 5% of the price you pay for the home if your purchase is $500,000 or less. For instance, for a $400,000 home, you need a $20,000 down payment. What if the house you want is more than $500,000? Good question, because the rules change. For any home over $500,000 but less than $1 million, you need 5% on the first $500,000, which is always going to be $25,000, and then you're going to need 10% for any amount over that. So if your house price is $600,000, you'll need your $25,000 plus 10% of the extra $100,000, which is $10,000. That means you're going to need to save up $35,000 for your down payment. If your purchase price is $750,000, you'll need your standard $25,000 for the first $500,000, then you'll need another $25,000, or 10% of $250,000. So you're going to need to have $50,000 socked away to purchase that $750,000 home. If your purchase price is $1 million or more, a 20% down payment is required. These minimum down payment amounts are Government of Canada rules, by the way, and they're designed to maintain a good, stable housing market. And that's why there is another important government requirement. If your down payment is between 5% and 20%, it's also a rule that you have high-ratio mortgage insurance. The premium is almost always added to your mortgage amount. This insurance is there to protect the lender. Here's an example. If your purchase price is $400,000 and you have 5% down, your mortgage amount is $380,000. The mortgage insurance premium will be 4% or $15,200, which is then added to your mortgage, bringing your total mortgage amount to $395,200. The insurance premium declines at 10% and at 15% down. If you've saved up more than 20% of the purchase price, then there's no premium, because you've got lots of equity in the house as a buffer if anything goes wrong. Having 20% down payment is a good goal, but today, most first-time homebuyers are purchasing their homes with the minimum required down payment. Next up, down payment saving strategies. The Mortgage Kit, brought to you by your friends at INVIS.